We're not the first civilization on planet Earth, not even close. We're not the first to live here, to build, to rise, and we're definitely not the first to fall. Because far beneath our oceans, buried under silence and pressure, there are ruins, massive stone structures, some carved, some aligned with the stars. Take the Yonaguni monument off the coast of Japan. Giant megaliths, steps, platforms cut with angles too perfect for nature, estimated to be over 10,000 years old, which means it existed before history officially began. Then there's the Gulf of Kambat in India, an entire city underwater, found by sonar, confirmed by divers, complete with roads, walls, artifacts older than the pyramids, or the temples beneath Lake Titicaca, the structures off the coast of Cuba, the ones lost to the sands of Egypt. All of them whispering the same thing: something came before us, and maybe the flood stories weren't metaphors. Maybe Atlantis wasn't a myth. Maybe Earth has done this before, many times. Civilization rises, then something happens, and it drowns. For most of human history, we thought the sky was just sky, an endless blue above our heads. Until 1902, when French scientist Léon Tesserand de Bourg did something simple and terrifying. He sent weather balloons higher than anyone before, and the temperature stopped dropping. That's when we realized the truth. The sky isn't empty, it's layered. The first layer is the troposphere, about 12 kilometers thick. Every breath you take lives here, every cloud, every storm. If this layer vanished tomorrow, oxygen would thin, pressure would collapse, and humans would pass out within minutes. Above it sits the stratosphere, stretching up to 50 kilometers. Inside it floats the ozone layer, a thin chemical shield. It blocks radiation that shreds DNA. If the stratosphere broke, the sun's rays wouldn't just warm us, they would sterilize everything. Higher still is the mesosphere, reaching 85 kilometers. This is where meteors die. Most never reach the ground because this layer burns them alive. Without it, impacts wouldn't be rare events, they'd be daily. Then comes the thermosphere, from 85 to 600 kilometers. Temperatures rise above 1,500 degrees Celsius, not because it's hot in the usual sense, the air is too thin to burn you, but because this layer absorbs the sun's violence before it reaches Earth. And finally, the exosphere, the planet's last breath. Atoms slowly leaking into space, gravity letting go. We teach these layers to children like they're harmless names, but they're not lessons, they're warnings. The atmosphere isn't scenery, it's a stacked survival system. And if even one layer fails, Earth doesn't explode, it simply becomes uninhabitable, silently.